long vowel. Okay, so I want the long vowel sound. What's the long vowel sound for this one, everybody?
A, E, I, O, U.
Short.
A, E, O, I.
Brilliant. Right, you need whiteboards. How many different phoneme representatives can you make? So if I was making the A phoneme, if I was making long vowel sound A, I could do A split E, I could do A Y, I could do A I. How many ways can you find to make the long vowel phoneme U? I'll give you one. Glue. How would you make glue? Just like, look at the word and we'll break it. This is how we would write it. Okay. Can you sound button under it? So, would this be a button or a line? G or U? How have we made the U sound?
U.
Yeah, so that would... Okay, hands up, what are we doing? What have we got? Give me one. E-A-U. You are a star. That is the tricky, hard one to get. What have you got, Katie?
U and E.
U and E. Just U? E like that? Or have you done it a different way?
I've done it the same as that.
Same as that, brilliant. Okay.
E-W.
E-W. Have you got a word where E-W makes U? I've got a few.
I've got one. Oh, few.
Go on then. Okay, so next thing I want you to do, I want you to write down a word with each one of those phonemes. So I want you to find a word with the E-A-U. I want you to find a word with U-E, a word with U-split E, a word with E-W and a word with U. For now, don't worry about this one.